Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The RS6 is getting a new special edition thanks to ABT tuning of which just 200 unit will be made at around 112,000 US dollar above. This Legacy Edition will be offered to European and American buyers and against a host of power and aero upgrades. Outside we have massive 22-inch fog wheels with a new carbon fiber hood insert, carbon grille surround, a new carbon front splitter, and new fender fan. Under the hood, the 4.0 WD V8 paired to a 48-volt mild hybrid system stock makes 592 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. ABT has fit new turbos, a new intercooler, a return ECU, and enhanced cooling to make a whopping 750 horsepower and 722 pound-feet of torque in the Europe. The US model likely will have even more power. There also are new carbon mirror cap and a new side seal. Out back is an aggressive carbon diffuser with quad exhaust tip and a top-mounted carbon spoiler. Inside, get a redone in a lot of Alcantara and dynamic with a red accent and ABT logos. Under the skin, ABT has lowered the suspension to thanks to coil-over spring and sport stabilizer. Okay guys, what do you think about 2023 ABT RS6 Legacy Edition? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.